everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a Light Fury cupcake inspired by How to Train Your Dragon: The Hidden World. If you are interested in how I also made the toothless cupcake, I'll leave a link to that tutorial down in the description box below. So to start off, I'm taking my cupcake base mould from Miniature Sweet, linked down below, or you can also hand make one without a mould. That video of mine is also linked down below. For the base of my cupcake, I took some blue clay and added it to the mould. You can cut away any excess if you need to. For the colour of the Light Fury Dragon, I'm using Pearl Polymer Clay by Sculpey. Take a ball of the clay and flatten it into a dome on your work surface. You can then add this onto the base still in the mould. For the Light Fury's ears and scales on her head, I rolled 4 balls of the pearl clay, 2 bigger and 2 slightly smaller. I then rolled each of these into a teardrop shape and then flattened them down slightly onto my work surface. Using my blade, I then cut off the pointed end on an angle, and this will make it easier to blend the clay cleanly onto the head. For the outer edge of the ears, I also created 3 indents with my needle tool before adding them all to the charm and blending them down. To prep for the eyes, firstly create 2 leaf-shaped kind of indents on the face using a dotting or ball tool. Then, before I actually added the eyes, I took this iridescent purple powder pigment and lightly brushed it over because in the movie I noticed that the Light Fury has a purple shimmer to her skin in the light. Of course, this step is completely optional though. So for the eyes, I used a light blue colour and I shaped 2 leaves using my fingers and then positioned them into the indents we made on the cupcake. For the pupils, add on a ball of black clay, and then for the little light reflections you can use some balls of white clay. Use your needle tool to add small nostrils to the front of the face, and then go ahead and add an eye pin if you would like to make it into a charm. If you are using a mould, you can then gently remove the charm, and then it's time to bake in the oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I secured the eye pin with some super glue, and then optionally you can also add some glaze. And there you have it, this is what my finished Light Fury cupcake charm looks like. Don't forget to also check out my toothless cupcake tutorial linked down below in the description. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!